My name is Ben Ghazi. I'm a co-founder of Codiac.
I'm Mark Freydl. I'm the co-CEO and co-founder of Codiac. We're a no-code DevOps solution. We help companies get their software to the cloud, and we help companies work more effectively when they release it. We really needed to delegate and start building out a team. That's really difficult for a small company with a tiny bit of funding to do, but we were able to do it through Honeycomb, and we were able to put a team together in a very short period of time that also had the talent and the interest to make it happen with us. In a lot of companies, they will throw somebody at you, and they'll say, here, you need this type, and let's put them to work. With Honeycomb, we got very motivated individuals that wanted to be on this project, that were interested in the work that they were doing and were taking pride in it. And I can tell you, as a developer and somebody who's run development teams, there's a big difference between somebody punching the clock and somebody who cares about the nature of their work. And that's what we were getting out of Honeycomb. It was great.
We had a large push for UI UX, and Honeycomb delivered a UI resource for us. God in Ukraine is Bog, and so his name is Bogdan. We got the UI Bog. It was awesome. This guy can knock out a clean UI so quick and simple. It's great.
We were doing a transition from one language to another, and it was an unexpected part of this project. We went right over to Honeycomb. We said, well, look, I know somebody you can work with, and I know somebody that can probably man this one. And in literally a matter of days, Honeycomb produced somebody who got on the project, ate up the requirements, and settled right in. And he did some fantastic work for us on that.
Codiac's doing great. The platform is a well-oiled machine, and we're adopting customers faster. And a lot of that has to do with the UI and UX that we got out of Honeycomb. Things are so fluid and easy to use.
We're sort of at that point right now where we're starting to ramp up, taking on a lot of the early customers, and we're getting a lot of really good feedback, both from the customers, but also from the industry. A lot of confirmation about the need for a no-code solution and the need for the next generation of DevOps. I do recommend Honeycomb Software often, and I tell them I would work with Honeycomb every day of the week and twice on Sunday, because these guys, they do what they're going to say. They manage it properly. I get invoiced at the right time for the stuff that I know about. People ask me every once in a while whether the Ukraine, there's things going on over there. Was that a factor? And like, no. The delivery was on time. The work was on time. The people showed up. The work got done. Everybody was motivated.
We've done almost all of this work in the middle of the war. Those guys stay focused and they stay professional, and we have people that are buying batteries and generators and working in the middle of the night just because they want to.
The team was laid with the right skill set. They were there when they said they were going to be there. They were there very quickly, and everything that went, they were reliable in their work, reliable in their delivery, even invoicing and payments. It was all clockwork.
Nothing stops these guys. It's great.